Okay, I'm going to walk you through your latest assignment. Um, you are going to go to your home page here, U.S. History. We're in week 6. Um, the assignment is entitled Immigration Cartoon Analysis. Here is the assignment. This is what I explained in class. But what you'll be doing is looking at attitudes towards immigration that the United States government had both during the turn of the 20th century, so like the late 1800s, early 1900s, and today. For this assignment, what you'll be doing is analyzing political cartoons, or you can create your own political cartoons. The choice is yours. If you choose to do your own political cartoons, please do that on a piece of printer paper. That's the size I would like them. Regardless of whether you choose to pick a political cartoon or to create your own, uh, you will be picking or creating 2 cartoons. So one cartoon needs to be from the turn of the 20th century, and one cartoon needs to be from today. So I want you to compare immigration attitudes from about 150 years ago to those of today. So the 2 cartoons, one will be from that time period a long time ago, and one will be from today. For each cartoon, you will need to do the following elements or answer the following elements. You're going to need to tell me the title of the cartoon, the publication. I'll show you how I'd like you to do this here in a minute. If possible, please embed the cartoon in your response and attach it to the Canvas page or create a link. You'll need to describe the image. Again, I won't read this. You can read this yourself. But basically, what is being drawn? What do you see when you look at the cartoon? Analyze it. Consider why the artist might have included them. For example, why did they choose a particular color, angle, or symbol? Uh, it is in this step that you should begin to identify negative and positive messages and/or stereotypes about immigrants. Please be as explicit as possible. Always err on the side of giving too much detail. This is maybe the most important step, the interpretation. You're going to basically synthesize your observations and your analysis. You're going to reflect on how the aforementioned elements you've identified contribute to the editorial message in the cartoon. So basically, what was the purpose of the cartoon? What point is or was the cartoonist trying to get across? What are they saying about the U.S. government citizen attitudes towards immigration? So you're going to be analyzing the cartoon. What's the purpose of it? What's the point of it? What is the message that the cartoonist would like to get across about immigration attitudes towards immigration? And then once you've done that for each of them, I'd like you to compare them. So use your own analysis to explain any similarities or differences that the U.S. government had towards immigration between 150 years ago and today. And again, as we've been talking about, there are some differences, but there's a lot of similarities. Okay, so you're going to create your own Google Doc for this. So again, remember when you create your Google Doc, you're going to not submit it, attach it and submit it to the Canvas page until you've completed the document. If you submit it before then, you will not have access to it, and I will just get a blank document. So please, when you are finished with your document, that is when I want you to submit it to me. On the assignment, on the bottom, it says, please remember to look at the immigration resource page. These are all the resources I've used in class. So if you click on there, it's going to take you to the resource page. Please feel free to use these resources to get information. Maybe check for understanding, refresh your memory of similarities and differences between immigration policies of a long time ago and today. I've also given you a couple of links on top of the page here. One is a site reimagining migration. And if you scroll down here, there are various political cartoons from a long time ago that you can look at. So, for example, if you clicked on this, um, that's an example of one that you can look at. I am going to be ending here, so I'll give you a part 2 here in a second.